Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is using the Happiest of Birthdays. I'm going to use this stamp wishing you the happiest of birthdays, and also the free pack of Sunshine and Rainbows, the 6x6 Designer Series paper. How do you get this free? Spend $50 or more before February 28th, 2022, and you get this free pack if you want. You can choose it. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music. All the supplies I've used are in the description box below. So let's make a card. Today's technique is going to be using direct marker to the stamp. All right, there you have it. A really quick birthday card to send off to anybody. I decorated the inside with the leftover Designer Series paper, and I decorated the back of the flap using the leftover. So one sheet, I got the envelope, the front, and the inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed this card. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next week. Bye.